This quick video will show you how to enroll in the CMH Raiter Family Clinic Health Portal. To begin, visit clokayhospital.com/Raiter-family-clinic. If you are already on the CMH homepage, click on the Raiter Family Clinic tab on the main menu bar. Once you're on this page, click the link in the sidebar to navigate to the Health Portal page. Once you see this page, click the Enroll Now button. Please enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and the cell phone number that is registered to your CMH Raiter Family Clinic file. Then, enter the CAPTCHA to confirm you're human, and click Submit. You will receive a verification code on your registered mobile phone number. Please enter that code and click Verify. Then, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This email address will be associated with your patient portal record, so make sure that it's an email address that's in use and that you check frequently. Click Submit. Before creating the password, refer to the Password Guidelines link here to ensure that your password is secure. Once you have created a strong password, click Next. On this screen, click the box that says, I have read the consent form in the above information. Then click Agree and Next. You are now logged in to your CMH Raiter Family Clinic portal account. To learn more about the features available on the portal, watch the video titled CMH Raiter Family Clinic Portal Features.